Hello everyone. Money management is an essential skill that can help you achieve financial stability and security. It involves planning, organizing, and controlling your income and expenses to ensure that you have enough money to meet your basic needs, save for the future, and enjoy your lifestyle. Here are some money management tips that can help you get started. 1. Create a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your income and expenses. It helps you keep track of your spending and ensure that you don't overspend. Make sure to include all your expenses, including rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. 2. Save money. Aim to save at least 10% of your income each month. This will help you build an emergency fund and set yourself up for long-term financial stability. 3. Pay off debt. If you have any outstanding debt, make it a priority to pay it off as soon as possible. Start by paying off high-interest debt first, then work your way down. 4. Invest for the future. Consider putting your money into retirement accounts or investing in stocks and bonds to build long-term wealth. 5. Live within your means. Avoid overspending and try to live within your means. Don't buy things you can't afford or borrow money to satisfy your wants. Remember, money management is a lifelong process. It takes time and effort to learn, but the benefits are worth it. By following these tips, you can improve your financial situation and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for listening.